Hi, this is Professor Puente. Welcome to COM 446, Entertainment and Society. I hope everybody is doing well, physically, emotionally, mentally. Hope everyone's doing well. I'm going to talk a little bit about the class in terms of like what we're going to discuss in COM 446, as well as sort of an overview of the assignments. And if you want more detail, of course, you want to review the syllabus. So, a little bit about the class. Entertainment and Society is highly theoretical. It's a class that centers on how various intellectuals view the impact that media has on our society. Some intellectuals see entertainment or pop culture as playing or having a huge impact on our society, and some others don't really see it having as big of an impact. It just really depends on how these intellectuals view the audience, right? Do they see the audience as sort of being this gigantic mass of passivity, or do they see this big mass of people as being highly critical? What makes this class, I think, interesting is that it's a little bit of both, right? You see, even within ourselves, you see sometimes we're passive and sometimes we're active, and sometimes audiences are passive and sometimes they're active. It just really depends. Anyways, a little bit about it's the assignments. There is going to be weekly quizzes. There's going to be 3 weekly quizzes. So these weekly quizzes are going to be based off of the lecture and the reading material. And I will try to have all the lectures posted on Monday. You have until Saturday to finish or complete these 3 quizzes. Essentially, each quiz will be between 15 and 20 questions, and you'll have between 45 minutes to an hour, more or less 3 minutes per question to complete the quizzes. So again, there's 3 quizzes every single week. I know that's a lot. It is a lot, but it's the summer, so everything happens really quickly. We're doing an entire semester in 1 month. So anyways, besides that, we have 3 exams, 50 questions apiece. They're multiple choice, just like the quizzes. Again, they're going to center on TED Talks, the videos that I assigned readings, of course, the lectures. There's 3 exams throughout the semester. There's a proposal and a research paper, which I kind of see as sort of one assignment. So the proposal is due first, and the proposal basically, obviously, you're gonna propose a topic that you want to write about. Are superhero films good or bad for society? I don't know, is social media good or bad for society? You pick your topic that you want to write about. You're going to use various theories and studies to argue your point, to support one point or the other, right? And so the proposal basically lays out, okay, this is my topic. These are the theories I'm going to use. I think this is some of the research that I'm going to utilize from my topic. And then, of course, for your research paper, you're just going to expand on that. One last thing is forum participation. So it's worth 25 points. And basically, I'm going to pose a question once a week. You respond to this question, one question, and then you respond to another student's post. So essentially, there's 2 posts a week, right? You respond to my post, and you respond to another student's post. And that's basically it. So in terms of grading, it's going to be a plus or minus system. It's going to be a point system, so keep track of the number of points that you are accumulating throughout the semester, and that's going to determine your grade at the end of the semester, right? So if you look at the syllabus and you want to, let's say your goal or objective is to have an A plus at the end of the class, well, you must earn at least 651 points. So please, that's the grading system. Please pay attention to the grading system. Please read the syllabus. And this is just a really short, brief overview of what's on the syllabus, but it's not the entire syllabus, so please read the syllabus in terms of extra credit opportunities and those other sorts of things. One last thing I do want to talk about, just very briefly, is I have a kind of a strict policy regarding turning an assignment in on time. I think it's immensely important that you turn in your assignments on time, and this is entertainment and tourism. your future success as entertainment and tourism professional is going to be largely dependent on whether or not you get stuff done on time. So I know that you have busy lives. You're not traditional college students by no means. I mean, heck, I went to Cal State Fullerton, so I know. And so, but that being said, you're the only one getting the grade, right? So make sure that you allocate enough time to complete all the assignments. And if you want to do well in the class, you do need to spend some time listening to the recordings because um, on, even though I'm providing you with the PowerPoints, each PowerPoint has essentially a question or two that you need to answer, and you answer those by listening to the recordings. So of course, if you have any questions, of course you can send me an email. I'll try to get back to you within 24 hours. I am a parent, so sometimes getting back to you quickly is not easy. But I will be online on Mondays and Tuesdays during my office hours. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask the questions. Um, Beyond that, welcome again to Com 446. I hope you find this class to be really interesting. To me personally, it's my favorite class that I teach. This and my sports class are my favorite classes. So I really do hope that you find this class interesting and that you learn something. Thank you.